coated that in butter, and now I'm going to weigh out 25 grams of currants. Now you can use sultanas, raisins, anything. I'm using these currants because they've been sitting in the cupboard for a while from when I made mincemeat and they need using up. And I'm going to put in slightly less of sugar just because we don't want things too sweet. Next I'm going to take my cinnamon and shake it over the puff pastry. If you love cinnamon you can put loads. If you're not so keen, just go for a little shake. Take my fruit. Now some of the sugar's fallen to the bottom and I'm just going to leave it in the bowl and just try and get the fruit out from the sugar. I'm spreading it on one side. This is the side that I'm going to start rolling from. Put a little bit more butter down this side. That's the edge that will be sticking everything together in a minute. And then starting from this side, use the paper to help you, or just do it with your fingers. About 200 degrees centigrade, gas mark 6, I think that's 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And because I'm making them quite small, I'm just going to keep keeping an eye on them. Maybe 10 minutes, maybe longer. We'll see when they're puffed up and golden brown.